Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on a Friday. It is September the 13th and we're breaking Gold Rush Multi-Sport 16 by 20 photos. It's a 2-box break from a case we started last night. We randomed up our 8 boxes, our 8 remaining boxes. We got 6 and 2. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names and customers. Alphabetized. Everybody gave them a couple minutes to trade. Nothing going down, no. So here we go. Alrighty, guys. Bam! Well, gonna be a nice Tatis, guys. Nice sig on her. On her there. New picture. I don't remember pulling that one before. JSA hologram and card. Just gonna show you real quick there, guys. Tatis. Really nice pick. Really great looking pick, actually. Alright, who is Tatis? Wow, man. Billy, you have unbelievable luck in this damn room. Alright, second of our 2-boxer. Alright, second break or second box in our 2-boxer coming here. Well, bam! Gonna be another of the Ray Lewis's, guys. Very cool. Him doing his Ray stomp or whatever the hell it's called. Beckett Witness hologram on her. Nice size sig. Another great looking pick. Not a bad break at all there, guys. Again, I know we hit one of those last case, but it's a great looking pick, man. And I gotta think if someone's collecting Ray Lewis photos, that's definitely one they're going to want. Well, that one's going to Pat there. Pat going to take the beautiful Ray Lewis. Well, guys, I'm very sorry everybody else, but this case is definitely hitting better for us than our last one did, that's for darn sure. So that is going to wrap it up. This one's coming out along the lines of what I had seen out of the other ones, guys. So I think we just had sort of a crazy messed up case there in the last one. But y'all have a good one. Bobby Two Pops Break. Stop on by and join us.